In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But let's say you want to go onto the dating area on Facebook just so you can start, doing whatever you need to do. So this is what you have to do. Firstly, head on over to Facebook. It's going to look something like this. Then once you're on here, you're going to see a lot of different options on the bottom, like Reels, Friends, Marketplace, Notifications, Menu. Now, a lot of people actually see dating as one of those options. So if you want to make one of those options like dating over to be down at the bottom, all you got to do is press Menu on the bottom right. Then you're going to see a lot of different options here. But one of the options you're going to see is dating right here. Now, if you don't see it, it might be because your country doesn't support dating, or you might be under 18. So just check the account age on your Facebook profile, but then also check the country you're in and see if Facebook dating is eligible for that. You can check in help and support section. So once you click dating, it's going to say welcome to Facebook dating, new ways to date, and then 100% free. So, you're never going to have to pay anything. And it's also privacy first. So all you got to do is press get started. It's going to ask you for different privacy settings, and it's going to run you through making your profile and everything. But then once you do that, you'll be good to go. And then once you have set up your profile, it should display on the bottom along with all the different icons like Reels and Marketplace. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel.